In the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. It is fantastic. Anyway, you know what happened? In Jamaica today, you know that in Jamaica it is holiday. A lot of people doesn't know, but today in Jamaica, in England it is Ash Wednesday. In Jamaica is Heroes Day. It is amazing. 1st of March, it is Heroes Day in Jamaica. Anyway, I want to say, I want to say, reach out to all of my fans. I want to say, thank you so much for the support, for your time you're spending watching my video, and it is just amazing. But I want to say, in Jamaica today, it is Heroes Day, and I want to say, big up most of the heroes. All of the heroes, big up on yourself. You yourself is a hero also. Not because you don't depend on money, but you're a hero. Me myself is a hero. All of us is a hero. You know what I mean? Not because we don't depend on money. But anyway, I want to say, all of the heroes them who come and fight for us, make we are here today. We want to say, we have to show our respect, and our respect and our due to all of them. So I just want to say, reach out to all of the heroes, and we want to say, today, this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Respect goes out for all of the heroes them. They come and they fought for us, and that's why today we can say, you know what happened? It done and dusted and gone, so we just are gonna just move on with it and keep the good work going and flowing. I want to say thank you so much for all of the fans that who support me, and as I say, in Jamaica, big up all of the Jamaican them, every Jamaica. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team. Respect goes out for you, and all we need to do is just keep the faith, hold on, and forget about the violence, war, and keep steady and firm as a builder. Say a builder always use the foundation to reach up to the sky, to the top of the mountain. So not the sky, top of the mountain. But anyway, we just want to reach out to all of the heroes them, and I said respect goes for you guys. And we know that they come and they fought for us, and so many things done for us. But black people always live stronger, stronger, and stronger day by day. So one love.